Today on Design, Build, and Fix, we're going to show you the before and after of a kitchen, half bath, and a hallway remodel that I completed for under $14,000. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. All right, let's jump right into that video. So before we jump into this beautiful kitchen reveal that I completed, let me give you a little background information and what you can find and expect on Design, Build, and Fix. This YouTube channel has 4 areas of concentration. The first area is designing things. I currently have videos out on SketchUp, and it's the free version of SketchUp, where we show you how to use the software and show you how to design specific things. We're going to move on to AutoCAD and SolidWorks and SoftPlan, and there's a whole bunch of different softwares out there that help you design things so you can make beautiful stuff. Another area that you're going to find on Design, Build, and Fix is we're going to show you how to build and remodel houses. I have a lake cottage tear down build that's coming late this summer, so we're going to take you on that journey. We're also going to show you how to do stuff on the inside of your house. I have current videos out on how to do hardwood flooring installation, tile, and there's a whole bunch more videos coming shortly on that. We're also going to show you how to take a shuttle bus or even a van and convert it into a van life type atmosphere that you find on YouTube. I'm currently going to be doing a shuttle bus, and that's going to take you on the journey from converting it from a 17-passenger shuttle bus into a van life RV toy hauler for my motocross stuff that I ride. And it's going to sleep 6, and there's a whole bunch of stuff going to happen with that. And there's some videos out currently on that right now. The next area that you're going to find on Design, Build, and Fix is generally how to fix stuff. Whether you're showing you how to fix something that's on a car, whether it's how to fix something in your house, we're going to show you all those things. And so if you don't want to miss any of that stuff on Design, Build, and Fix, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we'll go on this journey together. All right, so let's show you that kitchen remodel that I completed. Let me take you on a quick tour to show you the scope of this project and to show you what it's actually going to take to get this job done. In the main kitchen area, new cabinets will be installed along with granite countertop, new light fixture on the ceiling, tile backsplash also. As we spin around here to the dining area, this sliding glass door is actually going to stay. New light fixture here, and as you can see, the wallpaper has already been taken off of the wall. We're going to patch some of that drywall, sand it smooth for the painter. As you can see from the flooring, it is vinyl flooring. We're going to replace that with a vinyl plank flooring that snaps together, which is also going to travel down this hallway. Now this hallway has tile to it, so we're going to rip that tile all the way out so there's a smooth transition between the kitchen, dining, and the hallway area. And that vinyl plank flooring is going to end by the front door, and it's going to match up with this room over here and this room over here with a good smooth transition. So this door here takes you to the garage. As you can see, the homeowner has taken the wallpaper off of the wall and has partially mudded some of the drywall. We're going to make sure that that's perfectly smooth and sanded for the painter as they come in. Off of the garage, you're going to have a half bath in here. We're taking the toilet out, new vanity, new light fixture, of course is going to be painted, a new mirror, and the floor is coming out. All right, so across from the half bath, there's a door for a closet. That molding's coming out, and the door is also going to be replaced. All right, and here we are with that kitchen remodel reveal. Let's start over here to this corner. We have a brand new half bath. Take a look, new vanity we put in, new light fixture, new mirror, new toilet, and of course we changed the toilet flange on there because it's all rusted out, and new flooring, paint, molding, and so on. Then you come back into the kitchen. As you see here, we have we've opted to keep the stove the way it was before. Granite countertops, cabinets. We moved the microwave from the countertop over there up to the top, and we drilled a hole through the outside to vent it to the outdoors. dishwashers here, which goes to the undermounted stainless steel sink with a granite countertop. Came out extremely well, very nice. I'll show you the seam. I have to find it. Oh, there it is. If you can see it. Seam came out extremely well. There's no lip to it when you go across it. Came out very nice. Marble backsplash with white grout. There's the cabinets. They're white. Go all the way up to the soffit. And then we put in the new LED light fixture. New trim around the window with an apron for the bottom. And then the ceiling fan and a light. Highly recommend that if you don't have air conditioning in your house, or even if you do. It spreads the cool air around pretty quick, and that came out very nice. New refrigerator. Still got to take the plastic off it, but looks very, very nice. Again, another piece of countertop over here with cabinets. Then we come into the dining room. New light fixture. Fixed the drywall on the walls. A little bit over here also. Sliding glass door stayed, but new trim that went around it. New curtains. And then if you take a look, we have new doors for a closet here. A new door and trim for the pantry. New door to the basement. And then as you can see throughout the whole kitchen, the new vinyl plank flooring. 5 inches wide. Very, very nice. We carried that throughout the whole house, from the back door into the half bath that's down there. Carried it through the kitchen into the dining room, and then carried it down the hallway all the way to the front, and that's where it ends. So there's our kitchen reveal. Electric did not change. All the outlets pretty much stayed the same. And there you have it. All right, so this project took 8 weeks start to finish, and that's just one person doing everything from the demo all the way down to handing the keys over to the owner. So it was a total of 8 weeks, and that included time to fabricate the granite countertops, which I did do, and those videos are currently out on the YouTube channel. Now, coming out here shortly, you're going to find videos on how-tos for every aspect of this kitchen reveal. And so if you're interested in getting that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you'll get notifications when those things come out. You'll also be finding videos on other things that we just talked about here on Design, Build, and Fix. All right, well, thanks for watching another video on Design, Build, and Fix. Remember, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And what I've been saying for years is life's about what you can do, and it's based on what you know. So, go learn something so you can do something. All right, we'll see you on the next one.